another episode of Reinventing the Meal. Today we are making Chicago-style hot dogs, which I've never had one before, but I can already tell they're probably one of the superior types of hot dogs based off of everything that's on them. It's not just your basic like ketchup and mustard situation. They got like pickles, tomatoes, onions. They got so much going on these hot dogs. So I'm like, how are these gonna be bad? It would help if I wrote down the ingredients before I started this video. I don't have a notepad. So for your ingredients, you are going to need hot dog buns. If you can find dog, what? I mean, okay, you're on my mic, bro. He doesn't want to get down. I hope I didn't mess up my audio here. So for your ingredients, you are going to need hot dog buns. Obviously, if you can find poppy seed hot dog buns, that is ideal. You're going to need tomatoes. You are going to need sport peppers. This is the first time I've ever heard of sport peppers in my life, was when researching how to make a proper Chicago-style hot dog bun. God, that's a mouthful. I said hot dog bun, I didn't even say hot dog. Hot dog, Chicago-style hot dog. You're gonna need some relish. You are going to need pickles. You're going to need onions. You're going to need celery seeds, and you're also going to need poppy seeds. And then obviously you're going to need your hot dogs, which I entirely recommend buying beef hot dogs. Don't buy the super cheap, all filler, gross stuff hot dog. Like, buy the beef hot dogs, buy the good stuff. To start your prep, you are going to toast your bread. I wanted to toast mine using mayo. You can toast yours however you would like. Once it's nice and toasted, or burnt in my case, I kind of forgot about it for a second. You're gonna set that aside and then begin chopping up your tomatoes. I chopped my tomatoes into semicircles, as you can see here. And then for your onion, you are just going to take half of it and finely dice it. All your other ingredients are either like pickles or something in a jar, or it's a condiment, so you don't really have any more prep after that, which is super nice. So really, you can just move on to grilling your hot dogs. I know they say Chicago style, they like to boil them, but like, I don't like boiled hot dogs. I just don't. I think the better way is to just grill them, and I'm sorry if I'm like ruining a Chicago dog right now by grilling it, but I think that's the better way, is to grill your hot dogs instead of boiling them. That's just my opinion though. Once they are grilled to your liking and or fully cooked, you can begin to assemble these. You're obviously going to start with your bun, and then you're going to add in your grilled hot dogs or boiled, like I said, your life. You're gonna add in some of your relish, add a generous amount of your mustard, throw on some of your diced onions, add in a pickle spear, follow that with a couple slices of your tomatoes as well as a couple sport peppers on each one. And then I'm gonna go ahead and top that with some of our celery seeds and our poppy seeds. Honestly, the inspiration for this video was these stupid baskets that we found at Goodwill, because I thought they're so cute. I'm like, I gotta make something that belongs in a like basket like this. I think it's only fair to eat these with potato chips, and I think it's only fair that you buy the correct potato chips, which is Cape Cod potato chips. This isn't a sponsorship or anything. I don't judge you on potato chip choices, but I am telling you that your life would be better if you buy Cape Cod potato chips. It's like a mukbang now.
Yeah, kind of.
I don't know how I'm gonna get every essence of this in my mouth at once. It tastes about how you would expect, honestly. But it's really good. I love all the crunchy acidic going on. Like, I really love crunchy acidic vinegar type things. Got the refreshing tomato to go in there.
Okay, so it's a mess, but it's perfect.
You can totally taste those celery seeds too.
Yeah, I like the spicy from the sport pepper too.
For the longest time, I wasn't like a big hot dog bitch, you know what I mean? And that's not just a gay joke. I just, like, in terms of the food, hot dog, I just didn't care about them that much. But I think it's because I was always having like boiled, bland hot dogs, and that sucks.
Stupid hot dogs.
Stupid hot dogs. So I hope this isn't like a super awkward question, but are you Megan from Treat Yourself?
I can't believe you recognized me. As you have fully invited me into your home, what, you have no idea who I am?
Oh my God. All right, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.